How to find hidden deals for online arbitrage on retail websites. Want to find online arbitrage deals most sellers miss? Let me show you how to uncover hidden deals on retail websites just a few clicks. Hidden deals aren't always on the homepage. These are deep discounts or clearance items buried in category pages, behind filters, or only available through coupon stacking. Most people just browse the first page or use popular filters. By digging deeper and stacking savings, you get better ROI and find deals other sellers miss. If you want more strategies like this, the OA Challenge teaches you how to source profitable products online without guesswork, even if you're brand new. Want to learn how 6 and 7-figure online sellers find deals daily? Click the link in my description to join the 14-day OA challenge and start sourcing smarter right away.